In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a website in Webflow with ease, whether you're updating your site, making edits, or just need to take it offline temporarily. Unpublishing your website in Webflow is straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard. From there, you can see all the projects you've been working on. Select the project that you wish to unpublish. This will take you to that project's specific settings and options. Next, you need to navigate to the Publish settings. Once you're in the designer, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a Publish button there. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a drop-down menu displaying all the domains where your site is currently published. This could include default webflow.io domains as well as any custom domains you might have set up. Now, to unpublish your site, look for the option in this drop-down that says Unpublish from all domains. Click on that and you'll likely encounter a prompt asking you to confirm this action. It's a safeguard to ensure that unpublishing is indeed your intention. Once confirmed, your website will immediately go offline, disappearing from the web. To make sure the process has been successful, open a browser and type in your website's domain. If everything has gone as planned, your site should no longer be visible online. Now, if you've been using a custom domain, don't worry if it still appears temporarily. Sometimes changes can take a few minutes to reflect due to DNS caching, but it should update shortly. Once your site is unpublished, you are free to make any edits or updates needed. You can do all of this right in the designer. When you have completed your changes and are ready to bring your site back online, simply click the Publish button again. This action republishes your site, making it live again for your audience. That's all there is to it. Unpublishing and republishing a site in Webflow is both quick and simple, providing you full control whenever you need to make changes or updates to your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your Webflow project. Feel free to check back for more tips and tutorials on using Webflow effectively.